We are used to buying potato crisps from supermarkets and shops. Let me tell you some good news. You can make your own homemade potato crisps. Especially those times when you have an upcoming kids event and you want to save on cash, try making your own homemade potato crisps. You can flavor them in different ways: potato mint, sweet spice crisps, barbecue, chaat masala, etc. I will show you how to make your own potato crisps. Then you can go ahead and add any flavor you wish. I'm Hannah Wangoi Hencha and welcome back to my channel. You will need 3 large potatoes, cooking oil for deep frying, and some salt. We are going to start off by slicing our potatoes into thin chips. We'll use a cutter for this since it's going to be very hectic doing it manually. It's also very difficult to achieve thin slices. Your slices don't have to be perfect. As long as the slices are thin enough, we are good to go. We'll place the slices on a serviette and pat them dry to remove all the moisture. We'll then transfer them to a bowl and repeat the process to all our potato slices. We'll fill a saucepan with oil quarter way through. Heat your oil till fairly hot. Then add your potato slices one by one to prevent them from sticking together. Reduce to medium heat and leave to fry till crispy. Your crisps will begin to float on the oil. You'll feel the crispiness when you pat them with your fish slice. As soon as you feel they are crispy enough, remove them from the oil and drain on a serviette. Don't worry if some begin to look brownish. It normally happens. Our crispy homemade chips are done. Make sure the next time you feel like taking some snacks, you will try some that are homemade. Thank you for watching, guys. This is a channel where we help you discover new and exciting recipes and help you unlock your creativity. Goodbye and let's meet in the next one.